Why do 70% of couples struggle with maintaining intimacy? The answer might surprise you, premature ejaculation, but there's a natural remedy that can help. Introducing Jamaican Stone, a powerful, all-natural remedy to help you sustain erections, delay ejaculation, and say goodbye to premature ejaculation. This small, discreet black stone is easy to use. Just apply it directly to the penis and it starts working instantly. In just 10 to 15 minutes, you'll experience an incredible transformation. Imagine being able to last all night, with the confidence to please your partner every time. Whether you want to extend your staying power from a few seconds to a few minutes or even several hours, Jamaican Stone has you covered. Why suffer from frustration and embarrassment any longer? Take control of your intimate life and boost your confidence with Jamaican Stone. Buy Jamaican Stone online today and unlock the potential to satisfy your partner like never before. Secure payment, vertical bar, worldwide shipping vertical bar, discreet order. Buy online at JamaicanBlackstone.com.